This is the moment we've been waiting for all week. What's up, guys? The cold front came through. Well, it hasn't yet, but it is coming through right now. Oh my god, that breeze feels good. But, let's go see it. Please don't. My garage. Yes, okay, finally. Finally. There are those units, which used to be really bad shape, but they painted them when this house went up for sale a while back. But let's see. Well, first let me see, are these people home? Hang on. Of course they were home. But these guardians. Alright. You know what? Let me take a still picture of those. Alright. Let me take a still picture of these. Still picture. There we go. Alright. Well, if a storm comes tonight, which it looks kind of like one will, then I'll be sure to film it. So, out. Oh, I'm still recording. Alright, this is part 2 of that cold front video that I just took yesterday. Now this is the real cold front right here. Oh my gosh, it feels good out here. It feels, I think it's like in the low 60s, maybe the high 50s, I don't know. Here's these units again. I'm gonna try and retake that still picture that I did of these. Get the camera still. There we go. I hope that turned out. This one's running just in the heck of it. I'll go over here. These running. No, they're obviously not. I don't see why that one was running. It's cold out here. Cold. Just for the heck of it, let's walk over and take a not walk. Run over and take a look at the American Standard. Let's see if it's running. I don't think it is, but no, it's not. Here's the electric box. Look at all these birds. The American Standard. It was raining earlier, but right now I'm gonna go inside and take a piss. So, anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.